Yesterday I was watching a show on YouTube called Botched. It's like on the E channel, I think. And it's plastic surgeons who talking to people who had surgery that was botched, done poorly. And it made me think about people who have plastic surgery and how it affects our soul. You know, what does the soul think if we change our body, the body that we chose? So I asked Jesus about it this morning. And I saw a person lying on a surgical table having surgery, and the person having all this trauma done to them because of with the plastic surgeons too, and breaking bones and redoing everything and pulling skin apart. And the person got off the table, and the soul felt the person had a mask on. The soul felt that the body that it had chosen to manifest, to live through, it was no longer the true representation of the soul. My understanding was that our soul chooses the body, or the body is just basically a manifestation, like a physical representation of our soul. So, once we do that, then we're no longer having, a true representative of our soul. It's almost like a mask. And I felt like it's almost kind of like, if people who have plastic surgery feel like they're being judged because, this body part is, they don't like this, they don't like that, whatever it is, it's the other people who they feel judged by, or who actually judge them, are viewing them based on the physical that they see. It's not their soul reacting to another soul. You know what I mean? So anyway, that was on plastic surgery. And then I asked, well, what about people who have had an accident, or have had, have been changed in some way that had nothing to do with their choices? They maybe had an accident, and they don't look the same. What about those people? And the answer was, when those people have surgery, it's to become closer to the physical manifestation of their soul. So that is not the same thing. So that is basically their soul, wanting again to appear, or to, manifest as it had chosen to. So that's a different thing. So if you're, someone who has had an accident and you want to look closer to how you were before, of course, or in a way that makes you feel better, of course, do that. But if you're someone who is, surrendering to societal pressure, or the pressure in your own head, then, I think it makes sense to think about, what it is inside of you that makes you think that you aren't perfection as you are, because you are. Every single soul is 100% perfect. Anyway, that's the message for today. Like and subscribe, because those things help to grow the community. Leave a comment with a question you would like me to ask Jesus, and we'll see what images come up for your specific question. Share it with anyone you think might be interested, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.